Welcome to number 17 Yucca Court in Mountain Creek or the Brightwater Estate. This property is situated towards the end of a cul-de-sac, so you won't have many cars driving around, so it'll be nice and quiet. Outside the neighbour's house is a decent stormwater drain, so any rain runoff would get away. Down this end you've got a footpath which leads to the school and would also be a shortcut to get to the shops and the tavern. So that footpath there just goes straight through. If you head down that way, that'll take you through to the school, and yeah, you turn right and that'll get you to the shopping centre and all those things. So it's all at your fingertips. So you've got a nice established palm trees and gardens. So that'll be your Telstra NBN box. You've got circuit breakers. This would have been the original termite management system that was put in place. What else have we got here? We've got the gas compliance plate. Sometimes you have to show those details. So it looks like the installation date was June 2016. And so you've got side access down this way. I won't open the gate. There's I'll go around the other way. So you've got double garage, colorbond roof. You've got security screens at the front. Okay, let's take a look through the property. So tiled entrance. You've got the main bedroom towards the front of the property. Now the main has an air conditioning system, ceiling fans. You've got your ensuite and walk-in robe down that way. You could put a TV on the wall, or potential tenants could. So that's plenty of storage space in the walk-in. And the ensuite, you got plantation shutters or similar ones in. You've got an exhaust fan above the shower. Looks reasonably clean. Okay, from there, on the right hand side you've got the internal access to the double garage. You got your, I'll just get closer to the remote. So it's a Merlin system. I'll just zoom in so you can see it. Okay, you can see there's quite a fair bit of stuff in here, but you would normally be able to put 2 cars in. From the garage you've also got access to the laundry area. It's quite a good design to have the laundry away from the house a bit, so if there was a dryer up there, it it wouldn't be noisy and putting moisture into the property. So from here, I might grab my shoes in a second and walk out there, but you've got a good size, this garden shed there, your gas bottles, your instantaneous hot water system. I think I've just caused a door to slam, which I have. Okay. Okay, so from there we've got, it opens up, you've got nice high ceilings. That's the combined dining and living area. We've got the kitchen straight ahead down here. Yeah, it's all nice, neat and tidy. Looks all in good condition. Your exhaust fan under there. Got a dishwasher, which is a Westinghouse. Yeah, plenty of cupboard space and storage. I've got a decent size fridge in the hole. Pantry. And that overlooks the nice high ceilings give it a sense of space. The second of the bedrooms here, and the other bedrooms have ceiling fans and built-in robes. Not a bad size room either. Got double built-in robes. This looks like a double-sized bed, plus you could easily put a bigger chest of drawers or bedside table. So it kind of gives you a sense of space. And again, two decent-sized built-in wardrobes. Okay, so from here, you've got again ceiling fans in this area, and a Kelvinator reverse cycle split system air conditioner. Yeah, if we continue down this way, you'll see the second bathroom. So we've got so good storage for linen. It's got an extractor fan. I just turn that on. It's nice to have a toilet that's not in the main bathroom, so as if anyone's in the bathroom, they don't hold everyone else up. So you got bath. Again, you got extractor fans above. Reasonably neat and tidy. You can see the tenants are keeping it clean. Okay, from there we've got the fourth bedroom. Now the fourth bedroom's just being used as like a rumpus room, but you got ceiling fans, you've got a built-in little desk or study nook, and again double cupboards, TV on the walls, and points and stuff would stay there, but obviously the TV would be removed. Okay, what I'm going to do is go grab my shoes and just walk around out the back. So you've got a little alfresco area with ceiling fan. You've got low maintenance imitation grass area, so no mowing there. Down the side, you've got your gas bottles. little area for your clothesline. So the tenants have actually been away overseas, and they've only just got back, hence why there's leaves in the back area. See if I can grab the specs off that. Okay. So it's not a bad sized backyard either. You've got plenty of room here for a little trampoline or a pet. The current tenants do have a sizable dog, so it's plenty big enough for that. You could put sun deck chairs around the pool, but again, travertine tiles on it, so it looks modern. You've got privacy with the trees. Just wanted to show you that the alfresco is underneath the main roof, which is a better way to do it. So down this side of the house we've got the pool equipment. So it looks like that's the chlorinator, and you've got the big aircon system, and further down you've got the one that's off. This is the aircon that goes off of the main bedroom, so it's a Kelvinator. Both have been installed on the wall, so off the ground, which is ideal. Look, that's the property. It's a nice, neat and tidy 4-bedroom home with low maintenance. You'll get a good rental return, and should be little fuss. I'll get this recording to you shortly, and look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.